A couple of months ago, I discovered something that made me delete most of my WordPress plugins and replace them with free AI-generated snippets. Now I have the same functionalities, but for free. My site is way faster, lighter, fewer bugs, and I'm saving around $200 every single month. In this video, I will show you this practically with 3 examples and give you the full workflow so you can do the same and make your site faster and start saving today. So without wasting time, let's start with example number 1. I wanted to add social proof notifications to my website, especially for the course landing page. Something like this one here. So I found a lot of plugins like Trust Pulse, like Proof Source, Notify, Notification X. All these plugins provide this functionality. But for me, I found 2 main problems. Number 1, most of these plugins charge based on unique visitors. So it is limited, restricted to how many visitors. Honestly, I don't like this. I don't like limits, and I think you too. And the second problem, which I think is more important, if you go down here, you will see a lot of features. More features means more code, heavier plugins, and a bigger chance to have conflicts with other plugins. And for me, all I need is to show these social proof pop-ups for my website. So I decided to do this myself. And thanks to AI and the latest models, I did this in minutes. I generated this snippet with AI. It's also customizable, activated it, and now if you go to my landing page, you will see I have notifications up and running. Exactly what I wanted, fits my style, my website, without any additional features, lightweight and fast, unlimited and free. And don't worry about the codes or so, we will do this all with AI. I will share with you my exact workflow, my 4-step prompting technique to generate any snippet you want in minutes. But before, let's move on to example number 2. On my website here, I'm using a theme called Body Boss. It's a great theme, but the problem, if you go to my learning section here, to my courses, and open like this course here, the idea is I didn't like the landing page of courses, and it's very limited when it comes to customizing it. So, if you want to customize pages on WordPress, you need a page builder, something like WP Bakery, Elementor, and so on. And again, we have the same problems. A lot of features that I never use. It's paid when it comes to pro features. And in my experience, in the last 7 years building with page builders, a page builder will add a new layer on top of your WordPress website. And you will notice that your website performance will degrade, especially when you have a lot of visitors and your website starts growing and you have many functionalities added to your website. So again, I decided to do this myself. And I generated a new snippet with AI for my course pages. Look at this. Now if you go to the Learn section and open, for example, this course here, WordPress SaaS 2.0, you will see a fully optimized professional landing page using this snippet. Let's edit this page and see the magic now. It is configured and added simply with a simple short code. The same I did for my other course, self-managed hosting, and you'll see now that my other courses is still not updated. As I mentioned, I did this just last week and I'm just updating right now. So without plugins, without any page builders, without worrying about performance, all this packaged in a simple snippet and gives you exactly what you want. Okay, now before we move on to example number 3, let me share with you the workflow and how you can do the same and generate any snippet you want with a real live example right now. So I use Claude, and this is my secret template, my prompt template I'll give you by the end of this video, so you can just copy and generate any snippet you want. Let me do a real example now, live, in just 1 minute. So here I define the task. It should generate a 1-page WordPress code snippet. I will add with code snippets plugin. So I'm telling here the AI that I want you to generate only one snippet. I want to copy and paste to make things simple. Then I explain what this snippet should do. Here you should be specific and you know exactly what you want. Then my requirements for this snippet, you can add your requirements here. And then we have this fixed, the general rules. It should be self-contained and focus on making it functional first. I will ask for polishing optimization later. And for the short codes and CSS, I ask it to prefix everything with something custom to avoid any conflicts with styling, with WordPress, or any other plugins or snippets you are using. And then, which is very important, before generating any code, ask questions to understand fully what I want. I will simply add my requirements here, the features I want. I want to create a simple snippet that has 2 short codes. One that show my sign up activity on my website, and the second one shows the total number of users on my website. So I have 2 short codes I can use to showcase and present my users on the front end. Let's try this. So the first step now, the AI should ask me questions. Look at this. Perfect. Before I generate, I have some questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's answer these questions. I will tell it last 7 days, line chart, responsive, no customization. Always focus on generating a functional snippet first, then you can add features. Memorize this. Any performance concerns, I would say yes, add caching, don't exclude any users, no, special requirements, yes, load once, yes, yes, no. Enter, just answer the questions, and now it will generate the snippet. One snippet that does exactly what you want. Let's see. We'll wait a couple of seconds. Perfect, it's done. It will show you how to use it. We have 2 short codes and the key features. Let's now copy this snippet. I will go to my website, to my snippets, add a new snippet. Let's call it testing, new snippets, anything. Just paste the code here, activate. Now let's create a new page for testing. I will add the first short code, which is the sign up chart, save, open preview. And perfect, we have the chart and exactly what I want. Let's try the second short code. Save, refresh, and I got the users. Perfect. Now, since the snippet works perfectly and the core functionality works, you can ask for updates or optimizations. I will tell, for example, thanks. Now I want to update the total users shortcode to be centered horizontally and show a counter effect going from 0 to the total number. Clear? Now it will update the snippet based on your new requirements. After you ensure it works, you can see all the styling are prefixed. And a couple of seconds it updated it. Let's copy, replace, and save changes. Let's now refresh and see the new update. And perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Now let's move on to example number 3, which was a game changer for me because it helped me build SaaS on top of WordPress. Maybe you know my website promoter kit. Here we have tools where users can use and consume tokens or points. When using them, it's like any SaaS but on top of WordPress. So to consume tokens or points, you need a point system. And if you go to WordPress, to plugins and search for points or whatever, you will find several plugins like GimePress or MyCred, which works perfectly. But again, I had 2 problems. Number 1, these plugins has a lot of features. They are built for thousands of users and different use cases. All I need is a point system for SaaS on WordPress, nothing more. And when I find a feature, it becomes pro in these plugins. So I need to pay for this. At the same time, I need to install these heavy plugins. So what I did, again, a new snippet that created my own token system. simple, lightweight, and fast, and add everything I needed to build a token system. Now I can consume tokens, add tokens, and build the SaaS on top of WordPress easily. And this is my little secret in building SaaS on top of WordPress. And if you are excited to learn more how I build these tools and how I build SaaS on top of WordPress, I even built Tube Digest the same way, which is a full micro SaaS on top of WordPress, where you can analyze any YouTube video and convert into educational content, quizzes, summaries, and much more. You can even chat with any video. All this is on top of WordPress. If you are interested, you can check out my full course on building SaaS in days with WordPress. I leave a link in the description below. If you learned something new today, smash the like button, grab all the snippets and templates and resources from the description below, and see you next week with new digital tactics and strategies to help you build your online business and grow it fast.